Alrighty, today we're back with another video. As you guys can see in the background, I am changing the color of the two walls here. The two black walls are going to grey to just give me more light in the studio. So I'm painting these today, or whatever I get up to, and the studio, the rest of it is a complete mess. So I want to kind of move everything and give it a freshen up. Yeah, move a few things around because it is kind of getting old and I'm kind of sick of it. So I want to change it up. Come with me. I'm going to take you guys along for this makeover of this area for like the second time I've done this. I don't know in how long, maybe in the last 2-3 years. So I'm going to change it up again, and my desk and that isn't really going to change, so the background will be the same, obviously with different colors on the walls, and that's kind of pretty much it. But everything else I want to just change and see what we get up to. So I'm not going to do it all today, but I want to just start off this video of saying this, and I'm going to take you guys with me, and I'm going to do a lot of time lapses of me moving stuff, painting stuff, and pretty much it. So if you guys do enjoy, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. If you have any ideas for me after I post this video, let me know also in the comments, so then I can maybe change more things, because you guys might see things that I don't and whatever it is. Alrighty, let's cut to the first time lapse of me painting. Also with the time lapses, I might just do it on my phone because it's probably a lot easier to get them into tighter positions, and my camera's too big and it's just going to be bit of a problem. And here it doesn't really matter if you use a camera or my phone, probably the same thing. So that's what we're going to do. So if you see the time lapse change, it's probably from my iPhone and not from this camera. Anyway. Update so far, I've done one coat on the wall. This wall, I don't know if I'm going to touch today because there's a patch there, but we'll get to that with the power of video editing. You guys won't even realise I've kind of cut to that. But that's the next job after this one. I've got one more coat to put on here. Then I'm going to hang the TV back up and kind of get a little bit of order with all these stuff behind me. Then we've got the rest of the room to take care of. Alright, back to the time lapses and back to doing a second coat on this wall. Alrighty, the wall has officially had 2 coats on it now, so that is ready for the TV and the TV unit and all that stuff to be reassembled. So I'm going to go do all that now, and then we're finally going to get to the wall on the left-hand side and do that as well at some stage. But let's put the TV back on, let's get this entertainment set back up, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, we've put the TV back. The unit for the TV is pretty much back as well. And now we're going to start painting the wall behind me. As you guys can see, it is black. We're going to turn it to grey, just like the other wall. So that's the next task. I've taken the blind down, so I'm going to get the blind replaced as well. But let's start with the wall, and then we'll move on from there. back with another day here. Like you guys can see, I don't know if I showed you in the last clip, but these walls are all done. The blind I've taken off now, and I'm going to put a new blind up. So I've got a new blind ready to go. I'm going to get that on. And then we can start pretty much putting the furniture that's all here back into position and get the recording space, studio space where I'm going to have my video shot pretty much back in order. So that can be ready to go. And then that's pretty much 3/4 of the battle. And then we've got a bit of extra things to do, but that will probably be done a bit later. But yeah, let's just get this done. Then we can go from there. Like I've been saying this whole video, just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's happening. So let's get back into another time lapse. We're back about a month later, I think, and we finally got the room somewhat normal. I got a new couch, so I'm going to show you guys soon. And right now I'm about to set up the coffee table that I just bought. So I'm going to play another time lapse for the coffee table, getting that all built. And then I'm going to give you guys a room tour and show you what I've pretty much done, because I've pretty much changed. I've changed the couch and I've also changed the TV unit. So I want to show you guys all of that and show you what we have finally come up with, a kind of a normal room. I'm going to roll the time lapse for the coffee table. All right. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to show you what we have done. So we have painted these two walls here in front of me. 1, 2, put the blind up, got a new couch, new coffee table, and new TV unit. So that is all changed. So I just wanted to show you what we have done in terms of this room and how we've set it up. If you guys want a full room tour and a full in-depth tour on my desk and everything that we have in here, let me know in the comments down below and we'll organize that. But for now, this is what we've done, so it does look nice and fresh. Alrighty guys, that wraps up the room makeover. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey of the room makeover. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. It has been pretty good, and thank you for watching all those time lapses, because there were a lot of time lapses, but I think that was the best way to portray exactly what I was doing. So if you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you have any suggestions, if you guys want me to change or alter anything, let me know as well. And I'm open to criticism to see if there's anything that should be changed. And if you've noticed anything, let me know in the comments and I can have a look at it. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next week for another video.